Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. This is my dog Willow. After this is going to be a little catch-up video to show you some of the little jobs I'm doing. I've got some wood here. I get it from B&Q. I've only got 2 pieces so far. I will pick up some more. I just pick up one at a time because I carry it home. I think it's £4.88. The build stud walls with this type of wood, but I'm going to be building my banquette with it. I'm still cushioning. I'm virtually finished this cushion, a plain one, using the denim jeans, plain ones last week that I bought, and I've had to insert a bit of darker fabric there because the jeans were too narrow. The cushions I got last week and the week before, this one has a lovely emerald green back, so I've just put a plain cover on because I've got lots of pattern cushions that I've made, so I thought I'll make some plain ones as well. This has got a chenille back and there's the pattern cushions in there. So the cushions are coming along nicely. I've started sorting out this trunk. I've painted the inside lid blue. I'm going to paint those. I've started painting the trunk itself in white. What have I used? I've used some bit of bathroom paint that was in the bottom of the cupboard. Before I painted it in the Egyptian cotton that I've got now, the bathroom ceiling was white, so this is the leftover paint from that job. And here are the legs. That was such a fiddly job to do. Using the combination of pliers, WD-40 and a wrench spanner, but as you can see the legs are absolutely caked in paint and drips, so I'm going to invest in some paint stripping next week and strip them, because I need to strip the upstairs banister because the downstairs banister has already been stripped and has a little bit of wood stain. I don't know if you can see. I've started on the finial. I need to finish that off. So I'll be doing that same upstairs. This is the free wood I got from a neighbour. They were going to dump it in the bin. It's the slats off a cot bed. So these are going to be made into the lid of the bench, the banquette. I'm going to brace them together to make a couple of lids. Yeah, and my son brought down the table because we sold the rectangular table we had in here. And this is what the round one looks like. No knights or King Arthur included, taffy Nige. Yeah, so it is pretty. And I've got that beautiful vintage tablecloth to go on. I still haven't got round to doing this because the top keeps coming off, the back brace for want of a better word. So I've got the sandpaper out and the wood glue, so it's a little job that I'm definitely going to be doing today. So the impetus for building this banquette as well, benches, is I want the storage because I want to store some water and some other prepper items like me camping stove that I've already got, and the canisters. I get some more canisters, and I'm going to invest in some torches and some bottled water. Because we buy bottled water anyway because I'm worried about the poop in the water that we have, and I also boil a kettle of water for cooking or for coffee in the mornings, because I just don't trust the water anymore, even though everyone's paying an absolute fortune for it. So this is one proper tub that I've got going at the moment. It's virtually full now. This cushion's waiting to go in the wash. And because I'm decluttering, I'm going to get rid of my bread bin because A, there's nowhere to stick it, and B, I just don't use it. I'm putting stuff in there that's nothing to do with bread half the time. Most of the time I was just storing kebab skewers in it. So I thought, right, so this needs to go. Give it a wipe down and the charity shop can have it. But yeah, the tables, and once the benches are in and all the cushions are on it, it's going to look lovely. So let me know if you're doing any DIY jobs. I'm always interested. And are you doing any crafting things? I have been doing with my cushions, keeping myself busy. Today I'm going to be grouting the door wall of the bathroom. I did the window wall the other day, so I'm going to do the door wall today. So once everything's grouted up and painted, I'll show you the bathroom. I need to invest in a dado rail like this in the bathroom as well. The tongue and groove's up, but it needs a dado rail too, and above it needs painting. So yeah, onwards and upwards, as they say. So if you could be so kind, please like, share and subscribe. And let me know what you think of the table. The other chairs upstairs in the bathroom. Covered in all cards, but it needs a good scrubbing because I want to sand these chairs down anyway. Bye for now.